See that little button says thanks? Please hit that. And donate to a great cause, because I'm going to show you how to remove this. Ready? This is all you need. Links in the description, yeah. Go right here. Look how easy this is. Right here in the gap, or down here in the gap, because if you decide to slip, okay, look how easy. Now, I already took it off for the most part, but come on. Do I have to show you how to unplug that too? Please, come on. Squeeze, pull. Squeeze, push in, and pull. Easier with two hands, but one's filming. Come on. Now, told you it's easy with two hands. Let's get this guy out and see what part number this is, so we can replace it. But I bet you if you buy this whole switch, it's going to come with it. So that's what the tabs are. Come on. This is the lock switch? Yeah. Come on. Do not see a part number on this thing, but let's read it again. I see this, and I hear that. You hear that? Christ. So I don't see a part number on this thing. I'm not gonna tear this thing apart. I see a part number on here, but that's got to be just a plate. See that? That's got to be just this plate. No way. So let's put this in the way we found it. Make sure it's. Can you do upside down? No. You can't do upside down. It won't let you. Now, what I would do is paint these. These are cool. Now let's get this other one out. This is the window switch. We want to get these tabs pushed out and away from this plastic. Something like this would work probably best. But two hands is better than one. So two on this side and one on this side. Let's get this out. Here's the window switch. All right, yeah. Part number? I don't see one. I see this. Nope. So, put it right back. Plug it in. Put it back. Push it right back in. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.